Hello, and welcome to Microsoft PowerPoint Overview. This is not an in-depth overview. It is simply an overview to familiarize us with the software, commands, and functionality of PowerPoint. On your PowerPoint slide, you have what is known as the tabs. The first row of names here is called tabs. You have your Home tab, your Insert tab, and your Design tab, and you can read the rest of the tabs. Tabs are different feature functionalities in which you can use to improve or work on your project. If you click on a tab, you'll see what is beneath the tab is called the ribbons. The ribbons are broken into groups. Each one of these pertain to whichever tab that you selected, like an insert. All these the things that you can insert. Design, here are the different designs that you can make for your presentation. With inside of each ribbon, there are groups. And groups are also pertain to the things that are pertaining to what we call a group. So you have your slide group, your font group, and you have the different paragraph groups. Now, inside each some of the groups, not all the groups, but you have what is called a drop-down arrow. The drop-down arrow gives you more functionality, more features in which you can utilize to enhance your presentation. Down from the groups, we go to, I want to go to the tab bar. If you look on the top of your screen, you see the features at the top. Here you have what's the title of the presentation. Generally, we'll go to that when we talk about title and presentations. Here we have what's called the Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar just gives you features or functions that you can do quicker. The Quick Access Toolbar is customizable. So if you wanted to, you see here we have a check mark. Everything that is checked is on your Quick Access Toolbar. If you want to add or remove, you either check or uncheck the feature here, and then this gives you the function. So that way, when you doing your project, you can get quicker to it instead of scrolling through it trying to find it. Here across the top, the search bar. The search bar is just to say here, if you hover over it, it shows you what the search bar is. The search bar just lets you find out things that are easy to help instead of just guessing on your own. From over there, we have this is the account holder, and this one right here is a pretty smooth feature. This is your show hide. Your show hide basically lets you either hide your tabs or your ribbons, or show your tabs or your ribbons. And then you have your normal minimize, restore, and close features. To the right of your screen, you have what is known as the slide deck, commonly referred to as your pane slide. Here you have what's called your normal view. So when you first open up your Microsoft PowerPoint, you're going to get a screen like this one that shows you the normal view of your screen. At the bottom of the screen, we have what is called the notes. Your notes tab is how you add notes into your PowerPoint. Then you have the normal view. This is what we are right here, the normal view. You have your sorter view. If you click here, you'll see that it shows you how you sort your slides. We get more into detail in this in the next module. You have your normal read, and then you have your zoom feature. At the bottom of your screen, you have what is called your taskbar. Your taskbar, at the bottom of your taskbar is your start button. You hover over here, you click start button. We'll get more into the start button later in modules, but this is the start button. Then you have your search and your katana. You have your multitask view. This shows you how you do more than one view if you have more than one file open. And then you have your other task view that have open features. This is basically what we have for a general overview of Microsoft PowerPoint. Please stay with us as we continue moving further into Microsoft Office PowerPoint as we go into building slides and presentations. We ask that you be blessed, and thank you, and we'll see you in the next module.